Hi, welcome to this starter guide for the Outfit Manager. In this video I'm going to be going over everything from installing the manager to getting your first outfit working in-game. Starting from the very beginning, this is what you'll see when you download this tool, this zip file. All we need to do to get the tool installed is to drag and drop the files out of the zip file into any other folder. This conveniently named folder will do for me. So I'm going to select everything in here, drag and drop it, just so it's out of the zip file. Once that's done, we can open the manager. This is what you'll see when you first open the Outfit Manager. Likely the most noticeable thing is the viewport on the right side of the screen. This shows a 3D representation of your outfit and can be moved around by holding the left mouse button and moving the mouse around. You can also zoom in and out by using the scroll wheel. On the left of this, you'll see the colour sliders. These are hue, saturation and value, as well as a slider at the bottom that affects how shiny all velvet surfaces are on your outfit. These sliders are the core of the manager and work exactly as you'd expect. Setting the value bar to 0 will give you the colour black. And to get white, you'll need to set the saturation to 0 and turn the value up to 4. You can also click on the numbers above each slider to enter the values manually. This can be used to exceed certain values, though there is still a cap to each. Along the top of the window, you'll also see the layer tabs. These are primary, secondary, tertiary, and leather, which I'll come back to later. The sliders for these other tabs are exactly the same. Here you can see that I'm setting the secondary to an awful green colour, and I'll set the tertiary to a brown. Tertiary is usually reserved for the trousers, however some clothing pieces use it as an accent colour. The tabs along the side of the viewport that you can see control the clothing sets for the mannequin. Using these you can mix and match different pieces together to get a better idea of what the colours will look like on other clothing sets. Here I've selected the Prowler jacket, which has a tintable leather colour. Now if I select the leather tab, I can edit the colour of the leather independently of the primary colour. This is a feature that actually already exists within the game, but I don't believe any of the colour sets in the base game actually make use of this. Since it is possible to do though, I figured why not make it a feature in the tool. Once we're happy with the colour, we can save the outfit by pressing the big green Save as Selected and Export button in the top left. You'll notice just above that button that we're editing the Assassin Blue colour scheme. You can change which colour scheme you're editing by pressing the right or left side of the colour chart to the left of it. This will let you navigate through the other outfit colours from the game. If you do change to a different outfit before exporting the one you're currently editing, it will not save your progress, so please be aware of this fact. You can however use this to return to the latest saved version of the outfit, which can be useful sometimes. After you've edited an outfit colour, you can always revert it back to its defaults by pressing the red Reset button in the top left of the window. This won't overwrite your save data unless you press Export. I'm going to edit one more outfit, which will be the Wildfire outfit. I've always felt it was just slightly too saturated. I definitely overdid it with the desaturating it here, but this is a demonstration video, so I'd also like to point out here that I'm copying and pasting slider values between the tabs. This just helps me to keep consistent values on each layer. So now that I'm happy with that, it's time to import it into the game. So to do that, we're going to close the Outfit Manager and open the Anvil toolkit. The first thing you'll want to do in the toolkit is to scroll down to the Paris Forge file and unpack it. You can do this either by right clicking on it or just pressing unpack on the right side of the window. In here we're going to use the search bar to find the files called Arno, and you want to open cnparno.data. Same process, unpacking that. The number before it might be different to yours, but that's not necessarily relevant, although in this case I will actually rename the folder to number 0. This basically just means that when I repack it, it won't overwrite an original game file, so I can just remove it whenever I want. So now I'm going to open the extracted file for Arno and type into the search bar again the word sets, which will give us one file which is called CNP avatar color sets. You want to double click on this file and press save and refresh Anvil Toolkit. Now going back to the Outfit Manager folder, we will open the top folder and then open the file inside there called export.xml. Once this is open, heading back to the toolkit, we'll open the XML that the Anvil Toolkit created, and we're basically just going to copy everything from export.xml to the avatar color sets. If there's ever less than 3,700 lines when you do this, there might be a problem with the file, so let me know. Now, we'll save the colorsets.xml and go back to the Anvil Toolkit. Right click on the colorsets build table at the top and press import, and then select the file that it shows. Press the up arrow in the top left corner to go back a folder, and then right click on CNP Arno and repack it. The Anvil Toolkit has a second window which you can use to monitor the progress, and once it's repacked it will tell you. Now you can use the up arrow again twice and repack DataPC ACU Paris.forge the same way. This is a big file, so it will take a while, especially if you have it saved to a hard drive like I do, so just be patient. As soon as it mentions that it's repacked successfully, we can launch the game by pressing the play button in Anvil Toolkit. Once it launches, we can go back to the colour sets in-game and see that it's worked. So the blue outfit has got the green accents and the brown trousers. And if we head down to the bottom, you'll see that the wildfire outfit has now got the desaturated colours. And if we change over to a leather outfit like the Prowler coat, you'll also see that it's set to a default leather colour instead of being tinted. I will say, I do really like the fact that the leather colour can be separated, and after looking through the file, I believe there's a couple more colours that I can separate as well, such as the trim colours and interiors to the outfit. These aren't available in the tool at the time of making this video, but I might add them at a later stage. Here, I'm just checking what the colours look like on all the other outfits. You can actually get some pretty cool combinations out of this. I think it's at this moment where I realised that we didn't actually change the colours of the leather on the wildfire outfit. So if we go back to wildfire now, you'll see that it's actually still got a very saturated leather colour. So now I'm going to jump back into the outfit manager and just make a couple more adjustments. The first thing that I'll do is I'm going to change the green on the assassin blue outfit to more of an auburn and just remove some of the saturation from the trousers. And then for the wildfire outfit, I'm going to change the leather colour to a grey. Now we'll export and follow the exact same process to re-import the outfit again. In case you're wondering what program I'm using to edit the XML files, it's a program called Notepad++, and a cool feature of it is that when you close the program, the next time you open it, it reopens the last files you had open, which really speeds this whole process up. Now, once everything's done here, we can launch the game again. And we can see that the green on the original outfit is now gone, and it's back to an auburn colour. And changing over to the wildfire outfit, you can see that the leather is now grey, which is exactly what we wanted. That's nice, isn't it? So that was a basic overview of the Outfit Manager tool. I hope you like it. I hope you were able to make some cool outfits out of it. I look forward to seeing all the cool combinations that people make. If you have any suggestions for the tool or any issues that you find with it, either leave a comment on this video or in the mods post page, and I'll look into it. So, go and create some outfits. See ya.